We had 3 out of 7 of the Mag 7 companies reporting earnings today. And as you can see, Google was the clear winner out of all 3 of them. They're up over 6% after close. As you can see, they hit their first $100 billion revenue quarter. They absolutely blew the EPS out of the water. They were expected at 223 and they hit 310. Also, literally every stream of income that Google Alphabet has literally been printing. YouTube ads printing, Google Cloud printing, the search engine printing, traffic acquisition printing. I definitely wouldn't buy Google up here though. Definitely wait for it to cool off a little bit. All right, next up, we'll go with the clear loser, even though in my eyes it wasn't a loser at all. This is a generational buying opportunity. Meta was almost down about 8%, I believe, in this big dip right here. And this was so whack. This was just a buying opportunity. They didn't even miss earnings. As you can see, I mean, revenue's growing, everything's growing, but they missed on EPS because of a $16 billion non-cash tax charge. And if that didn't happen, their EPS would have been 725. That 725 EPS would have absolutely blew this 667 EPS out of the water. So sure, Meta's down, but honestly, I wouldn't even call it the loser. This is a great buying opportunity, not financial advice. I don't have any buying power right now. All of it's locked up on the IPO. But if I did, this is what I'd be buying right now. And then we got just the straight unk of all the Mag 7 companies. Honestly, Microsoft is my least favorite. It's the most boring in my opinion. And as you can see, they dumped a little bit, even though their earnings was fine. Again, everything is up. Revenue is up 18% year over year. Their EPS was up 25% over its estimated EPS. Cloud revenue is up. Net income is up. Everything's up. And maybe I don't like Microsoft too much, but this is still a great buying opportunity. They're actually flat on the 3-month chart, but year to date, they're well over 20%. Microsoft is still a Mag 7 company at the end of the day. But in my opinion, the key takeaways from these 3 Mag 7 earnings, Google is not going anywhere. They are going to continue to dominate. Meta is still a winner in my eyes. They just gave us a great buying opportunity. I believe Meta got down to 685. In my eyes, it's not a loss. This is a win. Then we got Grandpa Microsoft doing Grandpa Microsoft stuff. Still solid, still putting in that work, but unfortunately they did dip after earnings, but I guess if you want to get into Microsoft, now might be the time. But of course, guys, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own market research and due diligence on all these companies. I did a brief look on all these earnings reports. I did not do like an hour of homework on these. Just took a brief look at them. But again, these are all Mag 7 companies, so they are all, in my opinion, some of the most solid individual stocks you put your money in. Of course, not financial advice. I make these videos for educational and entertainment purposes only.